welcome to my channel. Today I am going to introduce to you some new features that Canva just introduced. So within the week, Canva introduced some really new cool features that I think and I know you're going to find really helpful. So let's get into it. So the first on the list is you can now add effects to your curved text. You know, before you can only add a curved text or another type of effect. You cannot have a curved text and still have an effect on your curved text, which was what I used to achieve this. So I'm going to be showing you how I did that. So I'm just going to put in my text and I am just going to say you are beautiful. Then I want to change the font, the text color. I'm just going to change it to white. I'm going to go now to my effects. And now you see we have the options here. I'm going to go back to my effects. You see, we have the curved text option separately from we have the other effect. So I'm going to add a curve to this, and still you can add other effects like the holo, the splice, the echo, and all of those amazing effects you've always wanted to add to your curved text. So I think I love this from Canva, and it is a really great one. I love this. You can add shadows, the lift, and so many effects. You can just, play around with it. So, and that is it for this one. I'm going to recreate this I have here so you can see how I did it, which is what I just mentioned. Just going to go to my elements now and take this picture. You can also space the letters of the text. So I'm just going to do this a little. Go back to my effects and reduce the curve. I want to reduce the way the curve is. Okay, I think I'm comfortable with it like this. Then I chose a circle, then I positioned the circle backward. Then I moved it. I'm going to move this up a bit. And that was how I achieved this. So you see, I have the curved text, and I still have an effect, a text effect on top of the curved text. So I really love this feature from Canva, and I am going to definitely be using it over and over again. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this out also. Also, before we continue, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. So the second new feature from Canva is that you can now plan and schedule your content directly to Instagram. I love this one so much. So if you're a social media manager, you are a coach, and you always use the third-party apps, no need for that anymore. Canva is saying, please don't use third-party apps, use Canva directly. So instead of downloading your designs and taking them to a third-party app, you can now do that all in Canva. But the thing is, you have to be using Instagram for business accounts, and it is only available to Canva Pro users, which is now a really great reason for you to get the Canva Pro. I mean, it is not so expensive. I think it's really affordable. So let me show you how to do that. So you click on these three dots here, and if you want to post directly, you don't want to schedule, you just click on the Instagram business. And the first thing you have to do is make sure that it is not a personal or creator page, it's a business account. Then secondly, you have to link it to a Facebook page, then connect via Facebook. I am not going to do all of this now because my account is a creator account and I don't think I'm ready to switch it up a bit yet. So now to schedule instead of posting directly, just scroll all the way down and you see where they have the schedule. This is where you click on. You can see the crown on it, which means it is available only for the Canva Pro users. So you click on the schedule and you click on the date. So let me say I want to schedule for on the 19th by, you can also change your time. So I want to say 10 a.m. So I'm going to say 10 o'clock a.m. And don't forget the time zone here. This is using the Pacific daylight, so it's always good to check this time zone, so you're not thinking you are scheduling for in the morning and later you see your post is going out at night. So you should check this also and make sure the timing correlates. So what you want to do next is to click on next. Then it will ask you to choose a destination. So you can also do this for Pinterest. I do this for Pinterest, but to schedule to Instagram, you click the plus sign. Then you can see Instagram business. But now it says I have to connect all of my accounts and all of this, but I've not done all of this yet. So you can also write your caption, and whatever caption you want to write, blah, 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 you put it here. You can schedule how many pages. Is it all pages you want to put or just a single page? So just a single page done. You could put your caption, choose a destination like I mentioned, and that's it. When you're now done, you click on, okay, let me just do this for the Pinterest just to show you an example. So you go to schedule, next, choose a destination. So I'm just going to put this on the Pinterest, and you see the schedule post has now activated. That's because I have connected my Pinterest account, but for Instagram, that's the same way you're going to do this. And that is it. This is a really, really great one from Instagram. It saves you time, and you don't need to be scared of the quality of your graphic dropping, because at times when you download, the quality drops and all of those. So you don't need to be scared of all of those again. You can do all of it now in Canva. So let me know what you think about this. Are you going to be trying this out? Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.